This is how you're going to set up and use classes in QuickBooks Online. First, you're going to log in and you're going to click the gear icon from the top of your screen at the right side. So you're going to click on this gear icon. And then from here, you're going to choose account and settings under your company. Under the advanced tab, you're going to click on advanced at the left side. And then you're going to enable track classes. So you will see this track classes under the categories section. So you're going to edit this by clicking on the pen icon right here. And then we're just going to toggle track classes on, and then we're going to click on save. Now after that, we're going to hit on done, and then from here we're going to go to the gear icon again at the top, and then from here we're going to click on all lists. Now from here we're going to choose classes. You can see it appear right here, and then we're going to click on new to create categories. So let's just click on new, and then we are going to set a name for this class. So for example, you can set up classes by department, location, or type of expense. So I'm just going to type in whatever, and then I'm going to hit on save. Now when creating a transaction like an invoice or a bill, you'll now see a class field. Assign the proper class to track income and expenses separately. You can run reports later, such as profit and loss by class, to get a breakdown of your finances by category. And that's it. That is how you're going to set up and use classes in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.